A world-class brand is not born as one from the beginning. Just like a world-class river, it always originates from a subtle source, continuously moving forward. Starting with the first drop, rising from the difficulties of the mountains. In 1993, we took the first step in our entrepreneurial journey. In 2003, the NUOMI brand was born. Like one drop of water merging with another, we gathered in the surging tide of the Greater Bay Area, bringing endless possibilities and imagination to the industry. With each innovative product launch, we raised a new flag for the brand NUOMI. Accumulation breaks through the barrier. Opening up new horizons after numerous innovative attempts. Day and night, ceaselessly flowing, polishing the obstructing rocks into smooth riverbeds. Moving forward, leaving NUOMI in the international market. Lurking in the corner, it roars and rushes between the narrow gap of two mountains. In unwavering persistence, bringing about more changes. Relentless day and night, leaping 1,000 miles. Roaring waves surge from beneath, traversing the vast expanse of the earth. Believing that every transformation is for a better progress. In the eternal surge, shaping everything along the way into a better form. NUOMI proposes the whole house hardware ecological chain, with a development strategy of the same style, same color, same quality, and same brand. Empowering the industry ecology, making home life more tasteful. In 2023, NUOMI breaks through barriers once again and moves forward.
大家好，我是糯米全屋五金品牌代言人唐嫣。
The logo is changing, but the iconic essence remains unchanged. Flowing for 20 years, NUOMI has been riding the wind and breaking waves, from China to the world. Our stories are all unique, yet the direction is so remarkably similar. Streams converge into rivers, continuously creating new possibilities for the name NUOMI. We don't distinguish between you and me. We repeatedly break old legends, going through storms, creating new tales, achieving a world-class brand, heading towards a broader sea. NUOMI, for 20 years, embarking on an ever-flowing journey.